Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to put your playlist on your private. So if you're adding some videos on your playlist about your dream house, so you can add a playlist of all videos about the houses or about tech apps, and it should not be shown on your channel. It should be in private mode. So today we're going to see how to keep your playlist private. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to make a private, you can see a lot of playlists. Some of the playlists of my private playlist. If you want to unhide or hide this playlist, you just for your channel, you just go to your channel option here. You can see the playlist here. These are my private playlist. If you want to show to everyone, if you want to hide or unhide this playlist, you just click on the edit option here. Keep all my playlists private. This option allows you to privatize your playlist, and if you untick it, it will be open on public, and if you tick it, it will be closed and it will be hidden on the public. It will be privated. So here there is another option to hide the channel subscription also. You can see this helps you to hide the channel that you subscribe to. The other channels, you can see the other channels that I subscribe to. So you can hide or unhide this from your viewers by using this option. Here you can have two options to privatize your playlist and also to privatize your subscription, which channels that you subscribe to. So try this on YouTube mobile application. And friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about YouTube, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.